Welcome back to Slim Comics and More. So today I am going to open up this box right here. This is the 2021 Topps Gallery. So you get 4 exclusive printer-proof parallels per box, and found this box at my local Walmart. On the cover of the box is Jacob deGrom from the New York Mets. It's a pretty good set. Saw a lot of channels opening up this set. So yeah, let's open up this box and see what I got. So I went and picked up my books. So I will go live tomorrow. I picked up my comic books at my local LCS, and it was a pretty good week. So good week of books as well. All right, so those are the cards in there. Okay, so let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs here. All right, let's open up the first pack. Love the designs of these galleries. Very nice. So first one I got is Nelson Cruz. Got a Nelson Cruz. Like the gold, kind of like a frame design. Very cool. Got a Next Wave. This one's cool. Next Wave. This is Rafael Devers from Boston Red Sox. Very nice. Very cool. Got Andres Gimenez. It's a rookie card. Very cool. From Cleveland Indians. And got Manny Machado. San Diego Padres. All right, next one. Oh, that was hard. There we go. All right, see what we got. So, Bobby Dobek. Nice rookie card. Boston Red Sox. Got Aaron Nola from the Phillies. Printer proof. Here we go. Got Giancarlo Stanton, New York Yankees. Very nice. And this is Sixto Sanchez. It's a rookie card. All right, next one. Okay, this one here, this is a rookie card of Daniel Lynch from Kansas City Royals. Got a Paul Goldschmidt, St. Louis Cardinals. Vladimir Guerrero, here we go. Nice, kind of like a refractor, like. Very cool. Nice card. And a Joey Gallo, New York Yankees. All right, next one. Okay, got a, looks like a Deivi Garcia. It's a rookie card. Andrew Vaughn, printer proof, nice. Chicago White Sox, that's my my team there. Luis Campuzano, San Diego Padres. It's a rookie card. And a Luis Robert, nice. Another White Sox. Great looking card. All right, next pack. Hope everybody's doing good on a Wednesday. Gotta go work pretty soon. All right, this is Stefan Strasburg from, looks like, Washington Nationals. Ronald Acuna Jr., nice. That is a cool looking card. All right, got a printer proof of Ozzie Smith from the St. Louis Cardinals. Great shortstop. I like how he goes out and does the backflips. Very cool. And Roger Clemens from the Red Sox. Great pitcher. All right, got some pretty nice cards. Okay, next one. Jared Kelenic. Another good rookie card from Mariners. Got Gavin Lux from Los Angeles Dodgers. Oh, nice. This one's nice. Ricky Henderson. This is a MLB Originals. Very cool. That is a cool card. One of my favorite players to watch back in the day, Ricky Henderson. And got a Wilson Contreras. That was a good pack. All right, and the last pack here. Let's see, what do we get? Great looking cards from these Topps Gallery. Okay, got Alek Manoah. This is a rookie card from the Blue Jays. Got Odelis Garcia from Texas Rangers. Got a Bryce Harper, Printer Proof. Very nice. One of the great hitters. And nice. Frank Thomas from the White Sox. All right, that is it, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you in the next video, guys. Next video will be my live stream. I will go tomorrow live, and I will show my new pickups for Comic Book Day. All right, guys, take care. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.